Nowadays, technology influences every part of our lives.
Today we're at the national final for the School's Innovation Design Challenge. It's held at the Telstra Innovation Centre in Melbourne.
This competition gives kids the opportunity to work with technology that professional engineers use.
Let's go check it out.
This is Paul Bray from RIA Engineering Australia.
Today is a very important day. There's been 120 high schools busy all year working on projects which get them using the same sort of tools that are used by industry to design and manufacture products. And we've got high schools from all over Australia here today: Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia, students from remote areas, and they're here showcasing their projects in racing of their cars, presenting their folios to a team of judges, and also verbal presentations.
Our design, this is our car design. It's based on trying to make it really light, and it's about 55 grams.
We redesigned the wheels to catch the underneath airflow, so it helps forward rotation.
As you can see, it's based on a few innovations. When we put in the cylinder, it shoots. When the CO2 shoots out, it hits those walls and comes back into the jet stream.
It literally flies along the track.
This is the Denfold Micro Router. It's a Formula 1 car out of a piece of balsa wood. The coordinates are generated via CATIA.
Using the program, used WebEx, and I actually controlled the machine over the internet from school to actually the university. And the car was cut and I controlled it from the school.
That is the smoke tunnel that measures the airflow around the car. So it's good for testing aerodynamics in the car that you design. This is the wind tunnel. Put up the wind speed and it will measure how much drag is occurring in your car.
For part of the competition, we have to design a folio that shows research about Formula 1 into aerodynamics and wheels, for example, but also showing sketches and how we got to the car design.
We use PowerPoint to put it all together, and it's a very important part of the competition because it tracks all of our progress and through our design stages of the program.
So I'll drop the axles. In testing, when I get into a class of these wheels, the car went 26 seconds long, a massive improvement.
What do you think your kids have gotten out of this competition?
Well, there's lots of things they got out of it. I suppose the first thing is working as a team.
It motivates students, gives challenges, teaches them how to problem solve.
Gets these boys really excited about using the technology. They can then communicate across the internet, collaborating over their folio work. All these pieces of technology are coming together to produce their final products.
Their presentation in their folio is amazing. It's a full-on company presentation, folio and display board at the back. They've done amazing work.
They have the confidence to organise a huge array of technology and resources, so I'm blown away all the time.
And the best thing about working on this is it's a really good experience.
It's just so different from like the everyday school life, coming down to Melbourne.
We learn how to use programs that big businesses use, engineering businesses. It's fun.
Conferencing on WebEx.
Probably just learning all the skills with CATIA and all the links that you can gain with the industry.
Find out about all sorts of new aerodynamic sort of things and meeting lots of new people. And well, you want to get a job in engineering, this is the thing to do.
Okay, here we are at the final race for this Design Innovations Challenge.
Fitting the cars up at the start of the track again. Yep. Drivers are ready.
Ready down there?
The end result is that these have won the knockout competition.
It's just totally awesome. Look, we're year sevens. We didn't think we were going to win. It's just the best competition in the world.
Why do you think it's important for young people to develop an interest in engineering?
Today with globalisation, we're all competing on a global level, so I think there's a fantastic opportunity for students today really going through an engineering sort of process to enable them to get a future career in IT and in engineering.
It's extremely rewarding to be working with so many students and teachers around Australia and seeing how highly they can achieve when they get their hands on technology that has no ceiling.
F1 Furious Racing Team, and you're watching School Talk!